open up the box. So we got a G. Got it all. Let's see inside. Yeah, still got a volume 1 book still coming out there. Let's see. Got candy. Yeah. Let's see. Alright, so they didn't break the seal on this particular box, but the other ones they did. And we have this BNSF unit, alright. Inside, oh look, even got in some candy. All right, cool. Help me towards getting to my diabetes. I think you guys appreciate it. Just kidding. Sticker, well, not sticker, red little tab here. Yeah, read that. Anyway, pull this guy out. Now look. Now you saw that. I can see. You saw that I just opened it up, took it out the box, pulled the plastic back, and already you see the horn. The horn. Look at that. I didn't bang it, drop it, kick it, or punch it. The horn is already off the locomotive. So I gotta figure out where the horn go at. So, well, what's the point of inspecting it when you open it up? Something's already broken off the locomotive. So let me cut this open here. All right. So hopefully it's not wrong with this engine. So we got instruction manual here, the phone, and the engine. Take this out slowly. Alright, there's nothing inside there. Slide it out. Alright, there's nothing inside the sleeve, which is good. This hard foam up there. Got the extra spare parts here, spring rolling bearing caps there. This up, hard sleeve, sorry, the sleeve with the hard plastics surrounded with the soft. This is the locomotive we have here. So just take this up and roll over. I see one of the truck stabilizers already came off already. So you're gonna take this one off also. And we wanna take off this handrail protectors here. The stanchion popped out already. Slide this up and out the way. So here we go. All right, looking here on top of the roof of the cab, you have a PTC antenna right here up top. Then you have various doors going down the roof of the locomotive. Here you got your horn. Right there you got your horn. It looks very nice. More door detail. Got your angled exhaust here. Radiator section here, like a big house, little big dog house. Separately applied parts here, but looks great. SketchTrains makes one of the accurate and great looking models. Definitely appreciate the manufacturer taking the time out and making things right. As you can see there, if you can, that we have safety tread here up and down the walkways. on both sides. You see you have doors here for the battery box. You got 2 of them. You got the back door, which has a windshield wiper on also, and it has a warning label and it has a handle. You see that we got number boards here, which are illuminated, and you have your grab irons here on top of the windows, and you got your windshield wipers. You have the black sill right here representing the windowsill. You have your grab irons. You have 2 sample hatches. You have your nose headlight, and you got your grab irons here. You got your door detail. You got your handrails going down, which is painted white. You have your pallet mounted ditch lights. You got your anti-climber. You have your proprietary scale train knuckles here, which is metal. And you got your MB hoses on both sides. And you have your brake pipe here. You can see inside that the windows are tinted. So inside the locomotive, you have your stand, your seats, and molded details all in there. I can't see right now because you got tinted windows. You got your sun visor here. You got your mirrors. You got your 3737 printing here, nice and neat. Looks good, nothing blurred. You have your detail here with vent. You have your F. You got your toilet detail, which is right here. Let's zoom in on that real quick. I think this is a better model to look at because they have a lot of the detail parts are silver and it pops at you instead of having it all black and you really can barely see it. That's my opinion. Even I'll tell you it's a ET44 C4 locomotive. You see that the trucks are looks amazing. Look at all that detail that's up into the side of the trucks, and you already know that these caps, they all spin. And you got your E-bell here coming across your fuel tank. You got your sight glass right over here. You got your cap, and you have your emergency set off, which is right there. Coming up on top of the body here, now you see you got your decals. Your handrails are all plastic. Corner across here, this is your sight glass there for your radiator. Then here's your radiator right here. There's a big section of it too. You can see expander in there, and if you can see through here, there are see-through grills, and the detail you see that the fan up in there, that's where the speakers are at. Then you got your handbrake. Now look at the handbrake detail. Let's bring it over a little more, and you see that a lot of detail has been put into these trucks. And also you can see that we have the traction motor cables running under the locomotive as per prototype. All right, you can see all that, and we're going to swing around here to the rear of the locomotive. Up top, I had your number board here. You got your horn, and you had your rear light there, and sample hatch. You got your vertical grab arms on both ends, and right there's a walkway light, and the entire engine has treaded safety. Here's an anti-climber here, well, walkway platform here, sorry. MU holes on the proprietary scale train metal knuckle. MU hose is here, and the brake pipe, and you have a detail for spare knuckles on the side here, and also cut levers. I'm hitting them like they really pop up. I might break it. Right here, it's sticking for 3-point protection. Swing right here. Well, once again, you can see through grills. It's pretty cool. You got the speakers simulating the fan. Definitely enjoy it and like that. X-bracing in there. Come down here. You see you got your more detailed parts here for your trucks. Yeah. You got the other side of the tank here. Get your air tanks. Got a little plumbing here. So you got a lot of plumbing going into this air tank system, which is pretty cool. Sight glass, emergency shut off, and you have your fuel cap. Coming to the body of the car, I got BNSF looking good there. None of the paint is bleeding into each other. Everything's separated. Applied. I mean, everything is separated and looks good. Also, see you have the door locks, open and close the doors here. It's pretty good. I like that. You got the FR reflecting striping here simulated. It's pretty cool like that also. Even you can see inside the grills here and the diameter brake area. It's pretty cool. You got more warning labels here, but this one right here I think is per prototype. That is not, you can see that this piece of sheet metal. Electrical door here. Also you got detail for the hinges. All look very well. Coming across here, you got sun visor. You got your window details. You got your mirror. Coming down here, you got your vent. Looks pretty good. Deep, but not too deep. You got the door latches and your jack and pad. Alright, now we got the locomotive started. Kicked into one more sequence. And here we go. Alright, there we go. Sequence started. So let's run through the notches. I'm up to number 1 on my NC power cab and see what happens. Release for the brakes. Just gonna tap that on. Alright. And we can zoom in here. And we want to check out the spinning roller bearings. Alright. See how it's spinning? Turn up the volume a little bit. You can see that. Turn this bad boy up. Turn all the way up. Pulling about 52 AMPs, 51. Alright. Even though on this tidy track, you know, it's clean wheels, so you need fresh from the factory. Still running through this tidy track just to clean the wheels, but that middle rolling bearing looks a little funky. We'll fix that. So let's just try this out real quick and see it and listen to it. Now you hear the diameter brakes. That's exactly what it sounds like when you run a locomotive. I'm quite sure the railroaders be like, yeah, that sounds familiar. It sounds pretty good. But I already had it on notch 8 full throttle here with the engine running, and I kicked into the diameter brake to see what the tone of the engine, or well, the speed will change, but the tone of the engine. Bring it down. I brought it down to 10, and it just have one sound for the diameter brakes, which is fine. And for again to get out of that, Yep, that sounds. Alright, let's bring it to a stop. Good stop. Kill some of these lights so you can see the LEDs on. There you go. So you got your LED, headlight, disc lights, illuminating number boards. 1, E-bell. 2 is horn. Oh, got a double bell, you heard that? All right, let's put in number 1. There you go. Let's couple that to my J. Alright, shake the stop. Come ahead on the pin. Alright, that's good coupling. Stretch them out. Alright, get the stretch. Let's see if we can pull this J. Nah, we can't pull the J. Now here the engines are idling, charging. The capacitor has been charged for a while, so let's see how long it takes for the capacitors to die out. So here we go, unplugging. Alright, so they all work, so that's pretty good.